So hello all, greetings for the day guys. This is Vinay Bajaj here, signing on, yes, signing on YouTube's Unacademy Class 9 and 10 channel. So those who all don't know me, let me introduce you all. I am Vinay Bajaj, a plus educator with CBSE Class 9 and 10 for mathematics and physics. For class 8, I take mathematics, and for class 11 and 12, for commerce based students, I take economics. I have a teaching experience of more than 6 years now, and trust me, it has been a beautiful journey so far, and looking forward for an exciting one with Unacademy. And it is, trust me, going on very good. So, today's topic, which we are going to discuss on and solve and practice a few important questions, are on number systems. Now, I am sure that you guys are almost every one of you are thoroughly done with this chapter. But as you all know, it is very important to keep revising stuffs. If you'll not revise, you might end up forgetting some or the other basic things. So here I am with a video for you all to revise a few basic concepts under number systems. Before starting on the session, I would like to tell you something about a batch on Unacademy. Now, this batch has just started on 14th September, respectively for class 9 and 10, both of them separately. The batch is available to you all in English as well as in Hindi. The subjects covered under this batch are mathematics, social science, English, science, French and Hindi. And maths will be taken by myself, that is Vinay Bajaj, for both CBSE class 9 and 10. The preferred language will be English. That means I'll be taking care of mathematics in English on the portal for both class 9 and 10. So as you can see on the screen, the name is Prime Batch because this batch is certainly focusing only on preparing all the learners at Unacademy, those who have subscribed plus, to aim CBSE 2021 boards and to prepare them for CBSE 2021 boards. So for class 9 and 10 both, to prepare the learners for the final exams, this batch has been systematically designed and planned accordingly. It has started from 14th September. The learners who have yet not subscribed are just a couple of weeks late. Let me tell you, you can complete it by listening to the recording, as well attend live sessions. The more you delay in taking a subscription, the more you are missing onto this batch. Talking about my pattern to cover stuffs in this batch is, we'll be completely solving NCERT in this batch with respect to the revised syllabus, but because we are preparing you for the finals now. I'll also be covering PYQs for class 10, important sums and HOTS for class 9. As well, I keep on launching individual courses to cover a few sums from one of your favorite authors, R.D. Sharma. A few sums maybe sometimes from R.S. Agrawal or S. Chand. Okay. So, as you can see, we are focusing on exhaustive coverage of the syllabus with n number of practices. We have been receiving feedbacks of the students that सर इतना प्रैक्टिस किया था और उसमें से ही पेपर में आया, वैसे ही टाइप के सम्स आए. I was very confident enough. Students are ending up scoring full or a mark or two less. No problem in scoring a mark or two less. No problem in scoring full, of course not. No problem in scoring something more than the previous exam. Each and every mark increased from the previous, or you gain from the previous one, is a form of improvement, is a sign of improvement. That is what we are catering at Unacademy. Continuous improvement. Moving forward, we have Hardik Kiradia sir who will be taking care of SST in English. We have Anika Seth ma'am who will be taking care of French. We have Bhavna Bisht ma'am who will be taking care of science. Moving forward, you will have Utkarsh Pandey sir who will be taking care of Hindi. You'll have Sandeep Dubey sir who will be taking care of English, and you'll have myself, that is Vinay Bajaj, who will be taking care of mathematics. The schedule is in front of you for CBSE class 9 students. Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you'll have English, maths, and science. Every Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays, you'll have SST, French, and Hindi. You can subscribe using my referral code. As you can see on the screen, it's VB19, VB19, and get a flat 10% discount. So if you use this code, you become a part of Unacademy Plus and you get 10% off. As well, you can use the credits. So about subscriptions, I'll be talking towards the end of the session. This is the full syllabus prime batch which has come up for all our learners, aspirants preparing themselves for the boards. We will have Akansha Sharma ma'am who will be taking care of SST. We'll have Anika Seth ma'am who will be taking care of French. We'll have Ajinkya Saluke sir who will be taking care of science. We'll have Utkarsh Pandey sir again taking care of Hindi. We'll have Vandana Bajaj ma'am who will be taking care of English. And you'll have none other than Vinay sir who will be taking care of mathematics. Again, you can see the schedule. Now for class 10, English, Hindi, SST on MWF, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Math, Science and French on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays. So you can see how systematically the timetable has been designed well in advance. This was provided to the learners so that accordingly they can schedule. 3 hours of daily study will cover all your major subjects. You can again use my referral code VB19 and subscribe using the referral code at Unacademy Plus. So I hope now मेरा ज्ञान भी हो गया, promotion भी हो गया, और आपको एक information भी दे दी what is coming up on Unacademy for you all or what has started. Now let me tell you from August or mid-August, from October or mid-October or November, we guys are coming up with some exciting revision batches. So those who have still not subscribed to Unacademy Plus, this is the right time. Let's start with today's session. As I told you, we'll be discussing a few problems under number systems where we'll be covering a few sums of your exponents and powers, identities of indices, a few rationalize the denominator sums where I've seen majority of the students face a difficulty while solving. तो चलो फिर शुरू करते हैं आज का ये session. All right. So the first question on your screens now is you have to simplify. Okay, what you have to do, you have to simplify. So question number 1 under simplification is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube the whole raised to the power 1 upon 2. Now very simple sum. I'll just change the color of my ink and we will be solving the sum now. So in this sum, what is 1 cube? So can I write 1? What is 2 cube? I can write 8. What is 3 cube? I can write 27. The whole raised to the power 1 upon 2. 9 plus 26 gives me 36. So 36 raised to the power 1 upon 2. Now we all know what is 36. 6 into 6 raised to the power 1 upon 2. That is nothing but 6 square into 1 upon 2. This 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. So we get the final answer as 6. So we get the final answer as 6. I hope everyone is clear with the first sum. Well, this was very basic. I know you might be wondering, hey यार क्या सर क्या करा रहे हो, ये धीरे से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, जोरदार धमाका towards the end होगा. चलो. So now the next question is 3 by 5 raised to the power 4, 8 by 5 raised to the power minus 12, 32 by 5 raised to the power 6. Again, what can be done here is, guys, क्या कर सकते हैं हम यहाँ पे? Very simple sum. Okay, चलो. So now, can I take reciprocal of the second one and the third one? Again, I'll just change the color of my ink. तो चलो फिर. Now, let this be the same because the power is positive. Let us take here as 5 upon 8. So my power will become positive. Okay, and let me take this as, it is 32 by 5. Yes, it is 32 by 5 raised to the power 6. Now, very important point here, guys. Can I split this as 2 raised to the power 5 upon 5 the whole raised to the power 6? Yes, I can do that. Moving forward, can I solve this? Can I write 3 raised to the power 4 upon 5 raised to the power 4 into 5 raised to the power 12 upon 2 raised to the power 3 into 12 into 2 raised to the power 5 6 are 30 the whole upon 5 raised to the power 6. Solving this further, we get 3 raised to the power 4 upon 5 raised to the power 4 into 5 raised to the power 12 upon 2 raised to the power 36 into 2 raised to the power 30 upon 5 raised to the power 6. So can I strike off this completely and यहाँ से 6 हो गया. क्या मैं ये पूरा काट के यहाँ पे 2 लिख सकता हूँ? Can I cut this whole and can I cut this and write 2 raised to the power 6 instead? So what will I get? 3 raised to the power 4 into 5 raised to the power 2 the whole upon 2 raised to the power 6. So what we will get? We will get 81 into 25 the whole upon 64. So the final answer which we'll get is 2025 by 64. If the answer is hiding behind me, so the final answer is 2025 upon 64. Is everyone clear? I am dead sure that everyone will be clear with this particular thing. Alright, so this was question 2. Now as and when we move forward, the difficulty level is gonna increase. As I told you, yes, definitely it will increase. Let's move on to the third sum for the day. चलो, अब हम चलते हैं थर्ड सम की ओर. तेरी ओर आ गए हम. So, third sum for the day. 1 upon 27 raised to the power minus 2 by 3. Now, I'll change the color of my ink to blue. So now, can I write 1 upon 3 cube, the whole raised to the power minus 2 upon 3? Similarly, can I write 1 raised to the power minus 2 upon 3, the whole 3 raised to the power 3 into minus 2 by 3? So can I strike off this? ये कट गया. So यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा? You will have 1 raised to the power minus 2 upon 3, the whole upon 3 raised to the power minus 2. Just reversing it. So we will get 3 raised to the power 2, which is nothing but 9. So this is my final answer. छोटे मोटे बीच में ऐसे easy sums आते रहेंगे. Let's move on to the next sum. Question number 4. Now comes the good one. So we have 625 raised to the power minus 1 upon 2. Okay, sorry, I just have to use different brackets. I'll just use them properly. My mistake. चलो. So now, एक box bracket डाल दिया, उसके बाद ये डाल दिया, और फिर 625 raised to the power minus 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 1 by 4 the whole raised to the power 2. Yes, is this the question? Yes, this is the question. So now I'll use a different color ink here again. Let's solve the question. Very simple question. Looks like it is complex, but let me tell you it is very easy. Can I write 625 के बदले 25 square into minus 1 upon 2 curly brackets minus 1 by 4 and the whole square? Solving this further, I will get 25 raised to the power minus 1 minus 1 by 4 raised to the power 2. Solving this further. Now I hope you guys have already solved it before me. Yes, public, or no public. Can I write this as 25 raised to the power 1 by 4 the whole square? Yes, I can. Why not? Solving this here, we get 5 square into 1 upon 4 into 2. So what we'll get? We'll get 5 raised to the power 1. That is nothing but 5. Ye 1 za, ye 2 za, ye 1 za, ye 1 za. So 5 is my final answer. I hope everyone is clear with it. What we did here is, you can follow my laser point. First of all, we converted 625 to 25 square. Then this 25 ka square was multiplied by minus 1 by 2 here. And the remaining remains the same, that is raised to the power minus 1 upon 4. The whole raised to the power 2. Strike off this 2, you get 25 raised to the power minus 1. And copy the same thing again here, that is raised to the power minus 1 upon 4 and raised to the power the whole square. Then minus 1 into minus 1 will give you plus 1, so 1 upon 4. Now convert 25 to 5 square. So you get 5 raised to the power 2 into 1 upon 4 into 2. So 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are and 2 1s are. So you get 5 raised to the power 1, which is nothing but 5. I hope everyone is pretty clear till here. Everyone is clear till here. Chalo, badhiya hai. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 5 for the day. Let me keep it standard yellow. Chalo. So question number 5. 9 raised to the power 1 by 3 into 27 raised to the power minus 1 by 2. The whole 3 raised to the power 1 by 6 into 3 raised to the power minus 2 by 3. I'll use a different color. Let's use the fire color. Now, what is to be done in this sum, guys? Come on. You guys tell me what is to be done in this sum. Can I straight away write 3 square into 1 by 3 into 3 cube into minus 1 by 2 the whole upon 3 raised to the power. अब नीचे तो add हो जाएगा public, so it will give me 1 by 6 plus bracket open minus 2 by 3 since the bases are equal. Now 3 raised to the power 2 by 3 into 3 raised to the power minus 3 by 2 the whole upon 3 raised to the power 1 by 6 minus 2 by 3. Take the LCM, guys. What you will get? First upar to again you will do the same thing, 2 upon 3 plus bracket open minus 3 by 2 since it is multiplication the whole upon 3 raised to the power 1 minus 4 the whole upon 6. Okay. Solving this further here is we get 3 raised to the power 2 by 3 minus 3 by 2 the whole upon 3 raised to the power minus 3 by 6. So what you will get? You will get 3 4 minus 9 the whole upon 6 3 raised to the power minus 3 by 6. So you get 3 raised to the power minus 5 by 6 the whole upon 3 raised to the power minus 3 by 6. Solving this further here, you get 3 raised to the power minus 5 by 6 minus 3 raised to the power 6. Using the law of identities, you get 3 raised to the power minus 5 by 6 plus 3 by 6. So you get 3 raised to the power minus 2 by 6. So you get 3 raised to the power minus 1 by 3. Ya to you can write it this way, or you can write it 1 upon 3 raised to the power, the whole raised to the power 1 upon 3. So we'll end the sum here, guys. Let's have a quick recap of the sum. So now 3 raised to the power 2, 9 को हमने convert कर दिया 3 raised to the power 2 में into 1 by 3. Similarly 27 को भी converted 3 raised to the power 3 में. Then in the denominator, since the bases are equal, since the bases are same, the exponents can be added since it is a multiplication sign. If it would have been division, then we would have subtracted. But here it is multiplication, that is why we have added them. So now, when you solve this, you get this. After this, again in the numerator, the bases are same. So you can again add them. So when you add them, you get such an equation. After that, take LCM. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, and multiply the denominators with each other. So you get 6. Post that, what you have to do? After taking LCM, you get the powers. Now, again, there's a division between the numerator and the denominator. Of course, a fraction has a division. What we do is, when there is a division, we subtract the powers. So we have subtracted here. So we get minus 2 by 6. Since the denominators are same, you need not take the LCM. So the final answer which you get is 3 raised to the power minus 1 by 3. I hope everyone is pretty clear till here. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं. दैट इज द 6th क्वेश्चन. सो 64 minus 1 by 3 bracket open 64 1 by 3 minus 64 2 by 3. I hope this much is the question. Yes, we have a more question on the next page. Yes, we do have. Okay, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं ये खेला आपकी ई स्क्रीन्स पर. सो नाउ चलो, all right, we'll change the ink again. Let's go back to the green one. Now we know that 64 is 4 cube. So first we'll write 4 cube into minus 1 by 3, then bracket open 4 cube into 1 by 3 minus 4 cube into 2 by 3. Okay, this will give me 4 raised to the power minus 1 into 4 raised to the power 1 minus 4 raised to the power 2. So now, what can be done, guys, here? What can be done here? Can I write this as 4 raised to the power minus 1, 4 minus 4 square? After solving this, can I write it like this? तो ये पावर पॉजिटिव हो गया. 4 minus 16. So you get minus 12 divided by 4. So your final answer will be minus 3. So did everyone understand? A quick recap of the sum. 64 extremely sorry 64 minus 1 by 3 को मैंने 4 क्यूब में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. Then we got 4 raised to the power minus 1. Again 4 raised to the power minus 1. ये 1 upon 4 हो गया. Okay. 64 cube 64 1 upon 3 the whole raised to the power 1 upon 3. 4 cube into 1 upon 3. ये 3 3 कट. So 4 1 बचा. ये 4 हो गया. ये 4 रह गया. यहाँ पे ये 3 3 कट हो गया. So ये स्क्वायर बचा. स्क्वायर बचा. स्क्वायर बचा. 16 हो गया. अब 4 minus 16 is nothing but minus 12. Then we get minus 12 by 4 is equal to minus 3. I hope everyone is pretty clear with it. Just I'll have a sip of water and then we move forward. All right, चलो तो फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं towards the 7th question for the day. Okay. So now 7th question we'll solve on another slide and we'll use a standard color yellow for the question. 7th question for the day is 8 raised to the power 1 by 3 into 16 raised to the power 1 by 3 the whole upon 32 raised to the power minus 1 by 3. Okay. तो चलो फिर शुरू करते हैं ये सम. Okay. All right, I'll just change the color to, again, let's say blue. Okay. 2 raised to the power cube into 1 by 3 into you get 2 raised to the power 4 if not mistaken. Yes, 2 raised to the power 4 into 1 by 3 the whole upon 2 raised to the power 5 into minus 1 by 3. Okay. So you get 2 raised to the power 1 into 2 raised to the power 4 by 3 the whole upon 2 raised to the power minus 5 by 3. Now what can be done here is solving this. Here we get 2 raised to the power 1 plus 4 by 3 minus 5 by 3. Solving this further, I get 2 raised to the power 1 plus 4 by 3 plus 5 by 3. So we get 2 raised to the power 1 plus 9 by 3. So we get 2 raised to the power 1 plus 3. So 2 raised to the power 4, which is nothing but 16. Is everyone very clear? Very clear, very clear, very clear. Just a quick recap of the sum I would like to give you again. 8 को हमने 2 क्यूब में कन्वर्ट कर दिया, 16 को हमने 2 रेज टू द पावर 4 में कन्वर्ट कर दिया, 32 को भी कन्वर्टेड 2 रेज टू द पावर 5. नाउ 2 रेज टू द पावर 1, 3 कट हो गया, सो वी गेट 2 रेज टू द पावर 1. 2 raised to the power 4 into 3 bacha, the whole upon. Now, since we can see that the bases are equal, since the bases are equal, what can I do here is, ये 2 raised to the power 1 plus 4 by 3 minus, bracket open, minus 5 by 3. Because this was in the denominator, division में था, इसलिए यहाँ पे minus हुआ. ये multiplication था, इसलिए ये first दो powers add हो गए. Then no need to take LCM in the second and the third power because we already have 3 as the common denominator. So 4 plus 5, 9. 9 threes, 3 threes are 9 and 3 ones are 1 plus 3, 4. 2 raised to the power 4 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Sorry, 4 times 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 16. Alright. चलो, तो अब शुरू करते हैं एक important question. थोड़ा लेंदी रहेगा बट करने में बहुत ही मज़ा आएगा. चलो, तो let us move on to the next slide. Just let me check how many slides are there with us. All right, we have a couple of slides. तो चलो next slide की ओर बढ़ते हैं. All right. So I hope everyone is ready. Everyone is ready. Everyone is ready. ठीक है? चलो. So now, all righties, the question is simplify what is to be simplified. 7 under root 3 the whole upon under root 10 plus under root 3 minus 2 under root 5 the whole upon under root 6 plus under root 5 minus 3 under root 2 the whole upon under root 15 plus 3 root 2. Okay guys, चलो अब इसको सॉल्व करना है. What I'll do is, first तो I will take this term separately. So चलो इसको rationalize करते. 7 root 3 upon root 10. 7 root 3 upon root 10 plus root 3 into root 10 minus root 3, root 10 minus root 3. So on solving this, what we will get, guys, we will get this into this will give me 7 root 30 minus 3 the whole upon 10 minus 3, that is nothing but a square, a plus b, a minus b, तो a square minus b square under root 10 का square 10 हो जाएगा. So now, oh, this will give me, sorry, this will give me 7 into 3, 21. Extremely sorry. So now 7 कॉमन ले लिया तो क्या बचेगा, root 3 minus 3 the whole upon 7, 7 7 cut. So the answer which I am getting here is root 30 minus 3. Now let's do the second one. Let's do the second one. 2 root 5 upon root 6 plus root 5. I am ignoring the negative sign before it because that we will include when we are using their answers respectively. तो चलो ये solve करते हैं. So 2 root 5, what we will do is we will directly multiply here by root 6 root minus root 5 the whole upon root 6 minus root 5. So we get 2 root 30 again. So 2 root 30 minus 10 the whole upon you will get 6 minus 5. So यहाँ पे हमको मिलेगा 2 root 30 minus 10 for the second one. Okay, chalo, I'll change the color and solve the third one. Let's take red for the third one. So again I'll exclude the sign. 3 root 2 upon root 15 plus 3 root 2 again multiplied by root 15 minus 3 root 2 the whole upon root 15 minus 3 root 2. So now you will get 3 under root 30 minus 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18 the whole upon 15 minus you get 27 if not mistaken. You will get 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, sorry. So you get 3 common here. So you get root 30 minus 6 the whole upon minus 3. So this will become minus bracket open root 30 minus 6. Now we have all the three, guys. Can we use them directly in the next slide and solve the sum? Of course, yes. So let us solve the whole sum. So now here we will write root 30 minus 3 minus bracket open 2 root 30 minus 10 minus again open the bracket minus again बॉक्स ब्रैकेट डालना रूट 30 माइनस 6. सो चलो सॉल्व करो इसको. रूट 30 माइनस 3 माइनस 2 रूट 30 प्लस 10 प्लस रूट 30 and this will become minus into minus plus minus 6. So now root 30 minus 2 root 30 plus root 30, just rearranging, minus 3 plus 10 minus 6. So root 30, this will give me minus root 30 plus root 30 then plus 7 minus 6 using BODMAS. ये और ये तो कट गया. So the final answer which I will get is 1. I hope everyone is pretty clear till here. Pretty clear till here, guys. Dead sure everyone clear till here. I'll just repeat the whole sum. Follow my laser, everyone. पहले ये टर्म लिया, रैशनलाइज करके ये आंसर मिला. फिर सिर्फ ये टर्म लिया, ये साइन को इग्नोर किया फॉर द टाइम बीइंग, रैशनलाइज किया, ग्रीन कलर में ये मिला. रेड कलर में ये टर्म लिया, अगेन इग्नोरिंग द साइन, रैशनलाइज किया, ये मिला. अब इसके बदले हमने ये लिख दिया, इसके बदले हमने ये लिख दिया और आगे माइनस का साइन मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे ये टर्म से, और इसके बदले ये लिख दिया पूरा और आगे माइनस का साइन ये टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. सो वी गेट 1 एज द आंसर. आई होप एवरीवन इज प्रीटी क्लियर विद इट. तो चलो फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं पब्लिक. Let's move on to the next question. Now, if root 2 is equal to 1.414 and root 3 is equal to 1.732, then find the value of find the value of 4 the whole upon 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2 plus 3 upon 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2. Chalo. Easy sum, let's solve it. What we'll do, take LCM first. So LCM लेने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? We will have 4 bracket open 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 3 into 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2. The whole divide by, since it is in the form of a minus b, a plus b, so 3 root 2 the whole square minus 2 root 2 the whole square. Solving this further, you will get 12 root 3 plus 8 root 2 plus you get 9 root 3 minus you get 6 root 2 the whole upon 27 minus 8. So you get the answer as 12 root 3 and 9 root 3. So 21 root 3 plus 2 root 2 the whole upon 19. Substitute the values, you get 21 into 1.732 plus 2 into 1.414 the whole upon 19. When you solve this, you get the answer as 2.06316, which is nothing but 2.063. Is everyone very clear with it? I hope everyone is pretty clear with it, guys. Come on, quickly tell me yes, no. Just took the LCM, basic maths, solved it, and we are done with this particular question. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's move forward. Let's do another question. Now towards the end I'll disclose which book I am referring to. Okay, so don't worry. आ जाओ. If a is equal to 3 plus root 5 divide by 2, then find the value of a square plus 1 upon a square. तो चलो, now let's do the sum, this time with yellow coloring. Is there a mosquito or something here? No. चलो ठीक है, बाद में देखेंगे. So now you have the value of a is equal to 3 plus root 5 by 2. Okay. Sorry, the whole upon 2. अगर ये ऐसा है तो 1 upon a क्या हो जाएगा? 2 upon 3 plus root 5. Now let's rationalize this. So you will get 2 bracket open 3 minus root 5 the whole upon 3 square minus root 5 square. So you get 2 bracket open 3 minus root 5 the whole upon 9 minus 5. So you get 3 minus root 5 the whole upon 2. 3 minus root 5 the whole upon 2. This you will get as 1 upon a. अब यहाँ पे अगर मैं a square कर दूँ, ठीक है, चलो वो बाद में करेंगे. Let's start substituting the value. पहले यहाँ तो लिख दो squaring both sides. चलो squaring both sides, what you will get? 1 upon a square is equal to 3 minus root 5 the whole square upon 4. So you get 1 upon a square is equal to 9 plus 5 minus 6 root 5 upon 4, that is nothing but 14 minus 6 root 5 upon 4. ऊपर ले लो कॉमन तो बचेगा 7 minus 3 root 5 upon 4. So you will get 7 minus 3 root 5 by 2. I hope everyone is clear till here. Very clear till here. Yes. यहाँ पे भी स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड्स कर दो तो यू गेट a स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 3 प्लस रूट 5 द होल अपॉन 4. So 9 plus 5 plus 6 root 5 the whole upon 4. So again you get 14 plus 6 root 5 upon 4, and finally you will get upon, मैं डायरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, आप लोग कॉमन लेके भी कर सकते हो, the whole upon 2. It will come as 7 plus 3 root 5. Now they have asked us to add both of them. ठीक है, ये ऐसे करते हैं, चलो. So we'll add both of them. So a square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 7 plus 3 root 5 the whole upon 2 plus 7 minus 3 root 5 the whole upon 2. No need of taking LCM. So 7 plus 3 root 5 plus 7 minus 3 root 5 the whole divided by 2. ये और ये कट गया. So you get 14 divided by 2, which is nothing but 7. So your final answer for a square plus 1 upon a square is nothing but this. Is nothing but this. Is everyone pretty clear till here? Everyone pretty clear till here? So again I'll just repeat the whole sum for you all. Just carefully pay attention. A plus 3 plus a is equal to 3 plus root 5 upon 2. So now a का वैल्यू अगर ये है तो उसका रेसिप्रोकल ये हो जाएगा, मतलब a का भी रेसिप्रोकल हो गया. ओके, नाउ a स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू, स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड्स किया पहले टर्म में, वी गेट दिस. दूसरे टर्म में स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड्स किया यहाँ पे, सो वी गेट दिस. नाउ वी हैव बीन आस्क्ड a स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन a स्क्वायर. सो a स्क्वायर का वैल्यू ये है, 1 अपॉन a स्क्वायर का वैल्यू ये है. दोनों को सब्सटीट्यूट किया, वी गॉट द आंसर एज 7. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट सम. चलो, सो नाउ if x is equal to root 3 plus root 2 the whole upon root 3 minus root 2 and y is equal to root 3 minus root 2 the whole upon root 3 plus root 2. Okay, chalo. Find the value of x square plus y square. Wow. तो चलो शुरू हो जाते हैं सम करना. पहले हम x को सॉल्व करेंगे. रूट 3 प्लस रूट 2 द होल अपॉन रूट 3 माइनस रूट 2 इंटू रूट 3 प्लस रूट 2 अपॉन रूट 3 plus root 2. Solving x we get root 3 plus root 2 the whole square the whole upon, you get 3 minus 2. So you get the answer as root 3 plus root 2 the whole square. ये हो गया मेरा x. ठीक है, ये हो गया मेरा x. अगर इसको मुझे आगे सॉल्व करना है तो भी मैं कर सकता हूँ. 3 plus 2 plus 2 root 6. So you get 5 plus 2 root 6. So now this is nothing but 5 plus 2 root 6. चलो अब क्या करेंगे हम, इसमें करेंगे स्क्वायरिंग ऑफ बोथ साइड्स. So x is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. So now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. We get x square is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 raised to the power 2. So we get 25 plus 24 plus 2 2s are 4 5 20 root 6, which is nothing but 49 plus 20 root 6. Is it very clear to everyone? Very clear to everyone till here? चलो फिर हम करते हैं y को सॉल्व. So now y is equal to root 3 minus root 2 the whole upon root 3 plus root 2. So rationalize करने के लिए into root 3 minus root 2 the whole upon root 3 minus root 2. तो चलो सॉल्व करो. We get root 3 minus root 2 the whole square the whole upon 3 minus 2 is equal to 3 plus 4 minus 2 root 6. So you get 7 minus 2 root 6. So now y is equal to 7 minus 2 root 6. Squaring on both sides, we get y square is equal to 7 minus 2 root 6 the whole square. Oops, sorry, my mistake. Extremely sorry. ये 2 ही रहेगा, ये 5 हो जाएगा, यहाँ भी 5 आएगा और यहाँ भी 5 आएगा. So y square is equal to 25 plus 24 minus 20 root 6. So you get 49 minus 20 root 6. तो आ जाओ तारे ज़मीन पर करते हैं. You were to find x square plus y square. So x square कितना आया 49 plus 20 root 6 minus plus ये आया 49 minus 20 root 6. So ये और ये तो कट गया, तो क्या बचा 49 plus 49 is 98. So did everyone understand the sum, guys? Everyone is pretty clear with this sum. So let's have a quick recap of this sum. Took x, rationalized x, got the value of x. Then squaring on both sides using a plus b the whole square, you get the value of x square. Similarly, do the same with y. Rationalize y and get the value of y. Once you have the value of y, what you have to do is squaring on both sides we get. So you get the value of y square. Then what has been asked in the question? It has been asked x square plus y square the whole upon x square plus y square पूछा है, दोनों की वैल्यूज को सब्सटीट्यूट कर दिया और सॉल्व कर दिया. इज एवरीवन प्रीटी क्लियर विद इट? वेरी क्लियर विद इट? चलो आतंक मचाएंगे, हाँ जरूर मचाएंगे. तो एक और सम करेंगे. चलो सो नाउ simplify 256 raised to the power minus 4 raised to the power minus 3 by 2. Wow, what a question. चलो कलर चेंज करते हैं और सॉल्व करते हैं. ना 256 को एज इट इज रहने दो. अब ये माइनस को भी एज इट इज रहने दो. 2 रेज टू द पावर 2 इंटू माइनस 3 बाई 2. ये 2 कट गया. So keep this 256 alive like this, minus bracket open 2 raised to the power minus 3. Now 256 bracket open minus, can I write this as minus 1, something like this? So now what we have to do, minus 1 by 8. Solving this particular thing here, we get, now what is 256 guys? 2 raised to the power 8 into minus 1 by 8, 8 cut gaya. So what will be the answer? 2 raised to the power minus 1, which is nothing but 1 by 2. Is everyone clear with the sum, guys? Everyone clear with the sum? Pretty clear with the sum? Simplify 256, keep 256 till the time you don't solve the powers. Once you are done with solving the powers, then split 256 in terms of 2 or any number which is giving you the same power as in that case of the power of the denominator of the power already given. So you get 1 upon 2. So रजनीकांत स्टाइल में चश्मा पहनते हुए आगे बढ़ते हुए एक आखिरी सम करते हैं आज के लिए. चलो, सो find the value of 4 by 216 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 upon 256 raised to the power minus 3 by 4 plus 2 the whole upon 243 raised to the power minus 1 by 5. चलो तो फिर शुरू करते हैं. Now keep this as 4 and what you will get here is 6 raised to the power 3 into minus 2 by 3 plus 1 upon 4 raised to the power 4 into minus 3 by 4. ठीक है? So now 64, 4, 6 are 24. 9. This will give me 16 square, 256, right? 16 square is 256. Okay. So, हाँ कर सकते हैं, क्यों नहीं? So now 2 upon this will give me 5. So 3 raised to the power 5 into minus 1 by 5. तो चलो ये 3 cut, ये 4 cut, ये 5 cut. So you will get 4 upon 6 raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 raised to the power minus 3 plus 2 upon 3 raised to the power minus 1. What can be done here is 4 into 6 square plus 4 cube plus 2 into 3. Solving this here, we get 4 bracket open 36 plus 64 plus 6. So 4 6 are 24, to carry over 144 plus 70. The answer you will get is 214. This will be your final answer. So it was looking complex, but it was very a very simple sum, guys. I hope everyone is pretty clear till here. All right guys, so चलो एक रिकैप ले लेते हैं वो सम का फटाक से, जैसे कि हमने हर सम के साथ किया है. 216 raised to the power minus 2 by 3. So 6 raised to the power 3 is nothing but 6 cube is 216. 4 raised to the power 4 is nothing but 256. 3 raised to the power 5 is nothing but 243. Cancelling of them, then using the law of indices, ये ऊपर चला गया तो पावर पॉजिटिव हो गया, ये ऊपर चला गया तो 1 into पावर पॉजिटिव हो गया, ये भी ऊपर चला गया तो 3 हो गया. Solving this, you get 144 plus 70, which is nothing but 214. Alright, so how many sums did we do today at a glance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then 11, then 12, 13 sums in an hour's time with introduction, promotion, everything. That's a very good speed, guys. In short, you have completely revised 70% of your number systems today. So those who have yet not subscribed using my referral code can use my referral code VB19 for a 10% discount and join this batch, guys. Let me tell you, it is actually a perfect name, a prime batch. The schedule already discussed. Let's move on. So now these half yearly batches are coming to an end. Okay. Now daily T20 me MCQ test series is available for all the plus subscribers as well as the non-subscribers. It is free for each and everyone. You need not take subscription for attending these test series. Let's practice. You can come up, download the app, practice questions, gain XP, which may benefit to you while taking a subscription. Quiz alert. Every educator has this facility to conduct a quiz. Just join my Telegram channel. You can search my Telegram channel, Vinay Bajaj CBSE Unacademy channel on Telegram. Get joined to it. Get yourself into it and use the quiz code when I'll be sharing. Be a part of the quiz. You get the solution as soon as the quiz ends, as well as the leaderboard is shown to you. Let's challenge test series. Now this is only available for the plus students. The difference between daily T20 MCQ test series and this is the daily T20 MCQ test series will not have your analysis. Test के बाद उनका solution का analysis. Whereas Challenger test series has a mock test analysis session conducted by a top educator on the portal for all those students who had appeared or who have doubt. Live doubts are solved with respect to those particular quiz questions. And let me tell you, this is done within 48 hours of the test conducted. You can use my referral code VB19 and subscribe for a 10% discount, guys. Now my batch course, which is currently going on, is ending on 31st October. Another batch course, that is the prime one, which I introduced you at the start, has started from 14th, ending on 29th January. For class 10, it started from 14th again. My courses started from 15th, ending on 30th January. If you have yet not followed me, do follow me on Unacademy. Now, the best part is, this is an old picture, guys. अब ये हो गया है 1 million watch minutes. और last 30 days में ये हो गया है 340k minutes. Sorry, 340k minutes और 340 minutes. ये dedications अब जा चुके हैं 478 पे. So these are the current. In the next YT session, you will definitely see it. So guys, use my plus code, use my referral code and subscribe. I hope you all enjoyed the session and it was very helpful. If you really felt good and if it was helpful, press the like button, do press the bell icon, subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends so that sabka saath, sabka vikas. Okay guys, have a great day ahead. Again, greetings for the day. Take care, stay safe, take care of your parents. Have a beautiful day. All the very best. God bless you all. Bye guys. This is Vinay Bajaj signing off.